today. So I think we are nearing the end of our lectures for Design 1 architecture. So I think we have already discussed all the uh, components or spaces in the residential area. So you already know how to design your living spaces, your sleeping spaces, dining spaces, kitchen, etc. So for a final thing, I think I gave you something to design about a tiny house. So a tiny house is a good way it's a good thing. It's a good last thing for our course because we can apply the principles of anthropometrics, econometrics, and other planning theories in our design. Okay, so but before we totally end our lecture, okay, so I'll just want to give you some tips for design. Okay, so I think since it's already December, most of you have already finished your Theory 1 subjects. Okay, so in architectural design class, you can use those different theories and apply them in your design in buildings or small residential spaces. Right now, it's a short lecture video. I'll just show you a very simple and basic tiny house that my wife conceptualized for our property. Okay, so I hope that you'll learn something from this, and whatever that you will learn, I hope that you can apply it in your studies as well. Okay, so this is the tiny house that we are planning to build for our property. So let's look at the floor plan. So basically, it's just simple. Here, you go to the entrance. You have here the living space. Then you have here the toilet and bath. You have here a small kitchen. As you can notice, there's a door leading outside. Primarily, the purpose of this is that so that you can use the shower of the beach. So when you go to the beach, I think your feet will feel good sand and you need to wash before entering the house. That's why there's a door here inside. This is a small couch and small television. And if you notice in the plant class, you've already reflected the photos. So that's something you must practice once you reach your higher level design system, where you place the location of your structural components. Structural conceptualization is what you call this one of the scope in your practice something from architects. Okay. Then going up, a loft. Going up, there's stairs. Then you can see here that there's a bed. Okay. Then as you can see here, there's an X line. It's an open window. Yeah, but what's not reflected here since it's for the 3D is that you can see the windows. When you do floor plans class, of course you must reflect them. And then don't forget that when you do your floor plans, you must make your structural elements thicker than your walls. I think some of you are still also confused how thick your wall should be. Okay, so common thickness of wall thickness of walls that when you're doing firewall, it's usually 0.20 meters, and if it's not firewall, it's 0.15. And going inside the house, you can see use point 10 to point 15 depending on the material you use. Okay, now let's get the dimensions of this plan. It's 4 meters. Let's change the camera. It's 4 by 3 meters or 12 square meters. So in a 12 square meter space, you already have a fully functional living. So that's one of the good things about tiny house, especially when you want to live a much simpler life but still functional. Okay. Go up here, you have your bed, and let's go inside. Okay, so basically, guys, go up, step up. It's important that when you design your houses, you should be elevated to a certain extent. This house is designed so that we have here a planting strip on the sides. Then we have some sort of living space here. Okay? So this is the inside. Let me change the camera. Now the field of view 55 degrees, 55 degrees because human beings have a field of vision around 60. Okay, so this is the inside. I think in our past lesson about tiny houses, what's important, one of the important parameters in designing them is that you should have a lot of spaces. The one way to do it is to make sure that you can use your stairs as storage spaces as well. As you can see here, the design here, it's also a storage space under the stairs. This space is where we're going to have small couch. Then this is going to be where the television is. Then this is the small kitchen or kitchenette. Then this will be the space for the toilet. Here you can find here the wash room, the water closet, then the space for the shower. It's not yet done fully okay, so when you go up, so this is where your bed will be. So imagine that this is a very cozy house. Okay. So when you sleep, there's just enough space for a couple or a small family. Okay. So I think when you design tiny houses like this, you have enough space for living, dining, kitchen area. Then you save on material resource as well as most tiny houses, they can function off grid because they have solar panels and other amenities. So I think it's really cozy. So this is just the 12 square meter tiny house. Imagine what you can do with 20 or 25 or 30 square meters of a tiny house design. Let's check ceiling height. The highest portion of the house is around 3.8 meters. From the bottom of the foundation floor line to the bottom of the ceiling. So, okay. So I think if we have done something in your plane similar to this, it's small, modular, it's functional, it's cozy, then I think you'll get a good grade for this.